It's been a rough week for investors in retailer stocks. The nation's big retailers have been complaining that consumers aren't spending much these days. They also blame the weather. But how much does bad weather really hurt sales or good weather help? Courtney Reagan has the story.
It's been a cool, wet summer for many regions of the country, and that's hitting retailers' bottom lines. Recently, a number of retailers, including Macy's and behemoth Walmart, have cited cooler late spring and early summer weather for crimping sales of warm weather goods, resulting in larger than expected markdowns. Good for consumers looking for a deal, but bad news for stores looking to build profits. It's certainly harder to sell shorts and swimsuits when shoppers have goosebumps from the cold temperatures outside. But summer is almost over, and the cooler weather is being welcomed by retailers hoping to sell corduroys and sweaters at full price for back to school. The Weather Channel forecasts the weather this fall will be more typical for the season, a far cry from last year's warm temperatures, an extension of the hottest summer in 110 years. A normal fall will be welcome news for the Gap, Macy's, and Kohl's.
The net benefit is not going to be a direct relation of the weather as much as it is the sentiment change that this cool weather has caused, meaning all of a sudden when we're waking up in the morning and have to put on a sweatshirt and it's early August, that basically then translates into people thinking that they need to start getting ready for back to school.
If it's a little cooler, I'll, start thinking about bringing out winter gear, but try to avoid it for as long as I can.
I could probably use a couple more long sleeve shirts.
I am climate driven, yes.
Not until I'm sitting there freezing cold and I realize I have nothing to wear. So when that happens, I'll probably run to the store and do something.
While kids going back to school hope for a late summer surge, retailers are anxious for the thermometers to drop. The lower the temperatures in the fall, the higher the profit margins for retailers. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Courtney Reagan.